What's the community car build? Oh, dude, that's easy, man. It's like the best group of people you can imagine in the coolest garage I've ever seen. Getting together, bringing this thing to life. It's like a work of art. It's like restoring art. We're bringing these things back from the dead, man. And if we don't do it, who's going to do it? There's not many of these things left. I mean, just look at all the scrap yards. Mother Nature's reclaiming these things. She's covering them with rust, degrading them into nothing, into dust. And if we don't do something about it, here soon, there will be none left. We have to work. We have to bring these zombies back from the dead.